What are these things? Long story short, let's just say we found out what happened to those missing divers. Where are the other two ninja? They're dealing with something important uptown. Lloyd, what's going on? No time to explain.
Your eyes, they're green.
Yeah, I know. It's not important right now. Come on, come on.
Vital steady, but still not very good.
What is happening? Slow, Wu. You are still recovering. Wu, Aquarius, your seal, it's broken. How do we stop them? Careful, Nia. We need to give Rue some time to recover. We don't have time. The others are already at the bay trying to hold them back. How do we stop them? The Genesis ring. Master, please, how do we neutralize them? The rings. They were meant as a gift, but they are a danger. A mistake. Break the ring. Break the curse. That's it? Break the ring and they're just regular people again? No. You need the trident. That's the key. Strike the trident, and the ring will shatter. The curse. A sacrifice. One life for the world. I can do it, Master. I'm the Green Ninja. I can take the blast. Just let me transfer this last bit of power to you. No. The world needs you, Lloyd, not me. Do not waste the light on a flame that's already burnt its wick. Master! Uncle!
Vitals dropping rapidly.
Nia, the water is not your enemy. It is your legacy. Set them free. All of them. Whoa! No. I got the power. It's in there. I got it. No, not yet. You can't. Don't go yet. No. He's gone, Lloyd. He's really gone. He said it has to be the trident. Mom, where is it? Where's Marinus? The boys were trying to keep him at the bay. Then that's where we finish this. For Wu. I can't hold them back much longer. Where's Marinus? We tried to hold him back, but they advanced to the royal palace. History is written by the victors, your majesties, and your chapter has ended. The only thing ending today is your delusion, Marinus. Maya, you always did have your mother's flair for the dramatic. Tell me, did you enjoy the 40 years of peace I brought you with your blood? I'm going to make you choke on those words. You think you can best me? I have a gift of the first Spinjitzu master in my own hands. Your father's soul in my palm. You didn't earn that power. You stole it from a man who trusted you. A just king who you were too bitter to believe in. Thalor, Maya's child. You have her fire, and your grandmother's grace. You shouldn't be here, little one. This place is all but a tomb. Grandfather, I'm here to save you from this prison. I have been a prisoner for nearly 40 years. I tried to speak to you through the water. I tried to warn you. I heard you. I'm breaking you out. We're going home. No, child. Look at me. I'm a fragment of a memory held together by Wu's magic and Marinus' hate. If you break these chains, I will not go back to the palace. I will go to where I belong. To the departed realm? Yes, dear. To your grandmother. She has waited a long time for me. But if I let you go, the trident, it loses power. I won't be able to stop the ring without it. You won't stop it with the trident, Nia. You will stop it with yourself. You are the bridge between the land and the sea. My power was the lock, but yours is the key. Tell your mother I am sorry I didn't listen. Tell her I'm proud of the warrior she became. And Nia, do not be afraid of the deep, for it is just another path home. Nia, no! No, no, no! What now? I don't know. I'm gonna spend the next few months with my parents. I am too, really struggling with this. I figured I would help them out at the shop. Yeah, I guess going to help out at the junkyard could help a bit.
I will stay at the academy and make sure things continue to operate around here.
Green Ninja, if I could have a word with you if you don't mind. What is it, Colonel? Actually, it's General now. Anyway, when the first Benjutsu Master passed, Ninjago saw a large rise in criminal activity that we are still clearing up now. My worry now that your master is gone is that a similar thing will happen. What do you mean? There are things your master kept from you all. Time will reveal them. The royal family needs the help of the Green Ninja. Ninjago needs that symbol. Thank you for the heads up. I'll keep an eye out. He's gone.